as he comes up to the line now. Dr. Abdulaziz has surely taken second place, and as he comes across the line, he takes second place. Well done to Dr. Abdulaziz over there. A few donuts for good measure, and coming across the line now as he's leading the race, of course. Unfortunately, at the Dufan section, but he comes across in third position. So a brilliant heat number 2, and Khalid takes the victory. Congratulations to Khalid.
Sayang natanggal yung gulong. Siya sana yung first. First sana siya. But nabangga siya doon.
Kanina sabi niya dun tita, it's an airplane.
It's an airplane. That's a drone. Sayang. Sayang yung car niya. So that's it. So final na tayo. Let's go, Truck Roger! So we're here at Aspire, at the back of Aspitar. So there is truck racing, a car racing, the small one. So this is the sneak peek of the cute, small, strong car. Ayan. So stay. So they have individual car to watch kasi ang mechanics niya every matamaan dun sa yellow na line minus magma-minus siya pag tatama yung car nila sa yellow lane. So ayan yung dyan sila iikot yung maliliit na car. Yan yung mga driver ng mga cars nila. May isang babae.
They've been working together. They've been randomly assigned in a team. So this is teamwork at its finest. Let's see who has got all the tools and is going to produce the goods, of course. Let's see. Drivers are in one line. I think, yes.
So sila yung mga drivers ng mga cars.
Just going to everyone's starting at the same position in one
Andun yung
line.
mga cars.
And that's it. We're ready to go now. So on the count of 3 in 3, 2, 1, let's go and begin the drive. And off we go. It seems like a good start.
Woo! Go car! Go Truck Crusher! Ayun, nauna yung car namin. Go, 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 go!
The first sector, but a clean
Go Truck Crusher! Nauna yung car namin. Ayun yung car namin.
At the end of lap number 1, it's
Go Truck Crusher!
Number 1 to lead.
Woo!
Final lap for Mahdi so far. Dr. Jamal just crosses the line.
Go Riadh, Mahdi, Truck Crusher!
To the chicane corner. Behind the though, Mahdi is
Oh, yan yung mahina si Madam. Oh my God! Nandito na yung amin! Go, go, go!
We're coming up to the
Ito yung kay Madam. Ang hina ng kay Madam. Go Truck Crusher! Oh my God!
And flowing up to the line.
Oh no! Nabangga! Go Truck Crusher!
Controversy just at the end.
Yes! Yan yung amin! Yay! We are the first! Truck Crusher! Go Truck Crusher!
Completing her run over here in heat.
Ayan! First yung aming car. Nasa first yung aming car. Ayun. Yun yung car namin. Ang Truck Crusher. Galing. Galing ng Truck Crusher. Go Truck Crusher! Go Riadh Malidi team!
Well done to all the drivers. We're going to wait for the judge's decision, of course.
Okay to si Madam mag-drive, oh. Yan yung kay Madam.
Behind Dr. Jamal and Badur would round out the grid.
Yan yung kay Madam. Tandaan si Madam. Yes, congratulations Truck Crusher! Riadh Malidi team, it's final now. We are the number 1. Thank you guys for voting Truck Crushers, Riadh Malidi. Kahit hindi kami ang number 1 sa voting, but nauna naman kami sa race. So ito yung second group contestant. So tagtatatlo lang siya every group kasi maliit yung ano. So once again, congratulations Team Riadh Malidi Truck Crushers. We are number 1 in a car racing. So this is the second group contestant. Let's see who will be the first.
And once the results for Heat 1 are being finalized by
Will be
our
the first on the finish
our drivers for
line.
race number 2 or Heat number 2 are getting ready.
So-
and it's going to be an action-packed race, of course.
So once
just
again,
like we
the
saw in
first
Heat
group
number 1.
contestant, the first winner is the group of Team Riadh Malidi Truck Crusher. So waiting to fight, to race on who will be the winner on the second group team contestant. Nice one.
Okay, so apologies for the lengthy delay, but in times like this, we consult the judges. So, the judges decided that in Heat 1, it's Dr. Riadh's team who took the victory by 30 seconds. They will be going
30
to
seconds,
the final to
Team
battle it
Truck
out for that
Crusher,
top spot
Team
on the
Dr.
podium. That's
Riadh
gonna happen after 2
Malidi.
races. In second place is Dr. Jamal's team, who finished about 30 seconds behind.
Woo!
And then we had Badur as our runner-up in third position. So,
Yes, we are the number
although Dr.
one.
Riadh's team won, there's still a chance for Dr. Jamal's team and Dr. Peter's team to battle it out for that third spot on the podium. And that race will be taking place in 2 races' time. In
We will watch, we will watch. Woo! We won Ben, number
great
one.
warm reception for
Yay,
him in the
congratulations.
really nice looking liveried orange and black
Truck
car with a
Crusher,
spoiler at the
Dr.
back.
Riadh Malidi
And then in track
team.
number 3, we have got in track number 3, it's Aziz with the QATAR flag liveried remote control car that's on the inside line from if you're looking from the start finish line. So I believe the drone should be ready very soon and the drivers are raring to go. So we got a race on our hands. Who is going to join Dr. Riadh's team in the final? We'll have to wait and find out after this 2-lap race, which is going to commence soon.
30 seconds po, no?
2 laps lang siya every 2 laps.
2 laps, 30 seconds. Tapos wala po yung tita.
So from the judges, we just went in for some social distancing in
Magaling si
the judges area. So if we can space out,
Magaling yung driver ng
we don't want to violate
Team
the
Riadh.
regulations, but that's
Hindi siya gamay na niya yung lane. Hindi siya natatamaan sa host na yellow lane.
perfect. This one, she's going to drop the flag, and when she drops the flag, we're going to start in number 2. So when you're ready, Fatima.
Oh, wait, Mama is, Mama is,
And the race is
dali na, ready na, be. Oh, it's ready na, yay! It's ready na, be. Yeah, go, 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 go! Go! Hala, nagtamaan yung dalawa. Go! Go! Look at doorbell! Go! Go!
Potentially make a move. As he's right behind now as we approach
Okay,
the start finish line. Lap number 2 has started.
Okay,
He's
go,
right
go.
behind Aziz.
Last lap,
Aziz
second
gonna
lap.
send him
Go,
off.
go,
He's
go.
gonna keep his composure. And he
Oh my God, Go! Sayang yun, siya yung nauna dati.
Floor it to the line, and it is victory over here.
Yay! Congratulations!
Aziz couldn't go with Quarantine. Dr. Abdulaziz is just going to bring it home. He's
Sayang.
Well, Aziz is having
Sayang, siya yung nauna dati. Siya yung nauna.
Dr. Abdulaziz just needs to bring it home now. Nice and easy. He's got a big enough gap. But Aziz is on the chase. Aziz just needs to floor it now. Dr. Abdulaziz has 1 minute to go.
It was a 30-second difference. The first 2 places
Go Truck Crusher!
just advices for the finals. It's okay if you go slow, but you don't hit
Touch the car.
the wheel doesn't go over the line. It's a 10-second penalty, by the way. So if you go over the line, it's a 10-second penalty. It's a very it's a very long time, the 10 seconds. So make sure You go past the line.
Go, dali. Okay. Yay! Go, Gia! Go, Gia! Go, truck crushers! Go, go, go! Go, truck crushers! Ganun ba dati? Qatar. I love Qatar. Yan yung name.
Drivers are now warming up and taking their places on the grid. This is the final, the finale of the Remote Control Car Racing Championship. Who is going to take first position? It's a head-to-head battle between the representatives of Dr. Riadh's team and Khalid Al-Malawi's team. Khalid is going to be representing Khalid Al-Malawi's team, and it's Mhae who's going to be representing Dr. Riadh's team.
Go, Dr. Riadh's team! Go, truck crusher!
We'd like to hand the mic over to Mhae, who's going to be representing Dr. Riadh's team. You had a great Heat 1, you took it in dominant fashion, the first position place, but what is the expectation for this finale ahead?
Thank you all for coming to this event. This is, as we said, everybody is winning. And I would like to thank Dr. Riadh for his support and everything. And good luck for everybody. We are going to have fun, that's all.
That's amazing, and if you can give the mic to Khalid now, who's representing Khalid Al-Malawi's team, what is your strategy, I guess? Of course.
I can't share my strategy, but
I tried.
honestly, I'd like to thank everyone for taking time to come here. This is a wonderful event and it's unique in its own way. So thank you for all your efforts, whoever came and worked on this. And Dr. Riadh, we will see the result in the end. We won't skip to any conclusions.
Well, that's certainly a psychological advantage trying to be in favour of Khalid there, but the race start is ahead of us. And just to clarify, it's going to be Fatima who's going to drop the flag on the count of 3 to start this final.
So, start!